Do you guys want to know how to do whip pan transitions like this, or like this, or like this, all without having to download any plugins or any third-party software within Premiere Pro and doing it easily within seconds? Let me show you how. Okay guys, so you are in your Premiere Pro project, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to Effects, then we're going to go to Video Transitions, and here you have the Film Impact folders. You're going to click onto, we'll start off with Essential, and we're going to go to Push Impacts and Roll Impacts. These are the two within the Essential folder, which are pushes and whip pans. You're going to drag this, and you're going to put it in between your two clips. And here we go, we have a transition. Now, if that is too slow, you can pull it across and it'll be nice and quick. So how can we improve this even more? Well, if you click on to the actual transition, you now have some parameters that you are able to change, which is awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the ease in. I change it to about 55 and then increase the ease out. Now it's going to give you this sort of wave monitor here, which anyone who does After Effects, this will look quite familiar. What this is doing is this is smoothing in the transition and smoothing it out. So it comes in a bit slow and then speeds up and then lands into place at the end there. I don't know if you can see that. Blur amount, increase that blur. There you go, it's just kind of making that transition a little, yeah. And then what else can we do? We can do a bit of an overshoot. So I imagine this is going to make it bounce a little bit. Yeah, see that bounce at the end? Bang. Just here, yeah. But there's so many parameters here. What you can do is just click onto Surprise Me, and it will create its own variations. So that means each time you use it, you can use it in a different way. Let me try what else it will do. Click on that, click on Surprise Me. Imagine how much time this can save you if you're trying to create some variety. Add a bit of a sound effect, easy, all within Premiere Pro. This used to be a myth before, now Final Cut, you know, eat our dust. Okay, and now what you can also do is you Command C on what you've just created. So you created something you like and you want to keep it consistent throughout your edit. Then click on the next transition, Command V, there you have it, paste it in straight away into there as well. Awesome, so what do we have next? I'm going to show you guys the roll impacts. Now we're doing the roll. See here, it's kind of like a classic cinematic roll. Back in the day, to be able to do something like this, you'd have to download so many plugins, you would have to nest things, and it would slow your system down. Not anymore. Love it, love it, love it. Now I've clicked Surprise Me, see what's produced. Impressive. I love the sort of effects. Surprise Me. I'm not going to go through all of these. See how it like bulges in. I'm not going to go through all of the parameters. I'll let you guys, this is just to really introduce you to these things right now. Hey guys, a quick note from our sponsor, which is me. I have made these laser engraved bookmarks for videographers and editors just in time for Christmas. A videographer and editor inspired bookmark, which I have made to add to the community. We have ones here which are the tools within Premiere Pro with their shortcuts and their description as to what they are and what they do, as well as giving you guys the exact file structure for your exports, what to name them. You can find these in the description below, and I'm really grateful if you do buy one and support me and what I'm doing here. So the next one that I can find, which is similar to a whip pan / push transition, but those two are the main ones, is in the transformers, and then you click onto the 3D roll impacts. Put that in there. Let's take a look. See there. I'm not sure how different that is to the roll one that we saw before, but let's click on Surprise Me. Let's see what we get. Interesting. So this one you can seem to be able to change the direction a bit better. Oh wow. Click on Surprise Me. Well, there we have it, guys. That is how you can do whip pan transitions all within Premiere Pro super easily. Please do like and subscribe if this has been helpful to you, and do check out this video where I'll show you how to do other cool transitions all within Film Impact as well. See you guys in the next one.